Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depend on where you are watching me from. And also, welcome to New Month. Yeah, I welcome you all to New Month in Jesus' name. Amen. Yes, so today I want to analyze one video that I saw on Facebook. There's a lady who was talking. We don't know who is talking to because there's no picture to show that this is the person I'm talking to, but I just pick a point on this talk that she talked about so that I can also analyze it. And you also, guys, anything you thought of this talk, you write it on the comment section. Thank you, my returning subscriber. God bless you for always coming back to watch my videos. And thank you for new subscribers as well. If you have been watching my video, please, if you haven't subscribed, please try to subscribe so that you support me on this channel so that I can grow. Thank you very much. Okay, right, let's go there. Let me play the voice message so that when you get to the point I want to let you guys know, I will pause it and let you guys know. Okay. My Benin user. Facebook ma wena de kwegbo yeto ogumega video na wala wo ogumega wa no se ki no se ki no na ne. For some of my fans who doesn't understand Benin dialect, he say he jam a man, a young guy on Facebook, through Facebook. He jam a guy on the Facebook. So let's go there. He said the time where she dey bongo where their husband has. He said she be lady where suffer well from husband hand. He said she really suffer. He said the time when he dey Nigeria, when he dey with his husband, he get 3 children for this man, 3 kids. He said na we battle. Now he take the hawk that time for Nigeria. Okay. He said that time when she did Nigeria, this man when he born 3 pikin for, now she they also they pay house rent, they feed the house, they do everything. Before, although he said the man don't apologize to her, she don't already forgive the man, which is the ex-husband when he born 3 pikin for. So now that one if I talk now. Okay. Say God come bless her, she can finally see herself for Europe. So he can jam one guy for online. So everything we say the man writes talk about her. Now she won't start to narrate. So why they stop and they translate for my people fans we know they hear Benin, because I Benin throughout now she take speak this thing. So I'm gonna let you know for English. He said now the man come approach him, say he want make 2 of them day as a man and woman together. So that's why he come tell her say, okay, no problem, but for her own, on one purpose, before be say in with you go to chop garden egg or we go to jogodo, you go first marry her, pay her dowry, because she don't first suffer for her past marriage wey she first marry. So you know what, that kind of suffer again, man not fit use am again. So you must pay her dowry first before they start to the chop noko. Anytime they said in me, December, okay, about 7 years. To keep it there for 1 year, 1 year to 6 years, or here, and he here for. So since when he leave him, baby father, he said that December, Now he go complete 6 years when he leave his baby father. So he say woman wey fit endure for 1 year to 6 years wey no chop cucumber. So he don promise herself say he go must endure finish until man pay her dowry before he go begin dey chop cucumber. He said two of them come enter into courtship. When dem dey inside courtship now, they never see body according to how. Now for social media they do courtship so. He say if they quarrel today, tomorrow they go settle. Through social media, they go quarrel today, tomorrow they go settle. He say now she come say this kind of relationship, e no go fit establish. Make this man waka him own, make she sef waka, make she sef waka her own, make the man waka him own. Say na there kasala come burst. Because he come see say the man character no good. Now he come tell the man say he no dey do again. Make him suffer dey pass him life dey go before he go see the one wey God design for her. He say she dey online Facebook because she be preacher woman for Facebook according to her. She dey preach the word of God for people for Facebook. He say anytime when she dey online like this dey preach, he say na the man be the first person wey go dey line with her. He go dey type nonsense for her. He go dey type nonsense for her. He say until one faithful day, the man come hear say he don get man wey wan marry her as a wife. Na there egbe gas. He say he come trace the fiancé wey he come finally see now through online again. He can't go trace that one on Facebook. He can't go. So he say he can't trace the guy to the guy Facebook, which is the fiancé when he see. He can't carry the picture of the guy for his Facebook. He can't put for him profile picture for WhatsApp. Say can't take this guy name, he can't trace am, go a family house. After I don't get the guy for Facebook, can't trace am go a family house. So now he can't write the family say this woman na him wife. Na him wife na he born 3 pikin for bed. The 3 pikin wey born, the one wey dey center no be get am. So he say they destroy her head, they try to turn her head upside down for the new find man family. So wetin dey baffle me now, I don't know how the man take know the man name for Facebook. Although maybe make sure I not put here down, but make I reply and they go make the video not too long.
Kenny. I use a catch of when I have me gumi. I have me gumi. So I don't bag it. I don't bag it. My call to the one I mean. Me go say me no go send a picture back gumi. You wrote a way. You got already mad and I am a face of that she may post a Facebook in me. And when I am any more a face of that show be in our way me. You may go no way be. If you want to make a body, I'm a picture. My way can't be. I'll be Imana Malay. I am where in the capital, then I want me to cut the story short. Well, I want to come my mama there. My way in a key. My way you are take out the t-shirt, not what in Nigeria doing any love. And you're going to bring me a danny. You know, a one in and I will over the Benny, my house, a yet in my one. A man say one week in a year, go my guy, Fiji. When I be good, when I come out on this. My way, I can have to Jenny and in a way. Now, but it's a body, a man, not a economic, a yard threatening me, may not be feeling. But today, you may have.
Okay, now. He said this guy when he tie wrapper in the kitchen dey cook, the guy come screenshot her. He can't get her picture. So now he can't say the boy can't dey threa ten am say that picture when he get, if this lady no marry her, this lady wey dey talk so, he go take the picture blackmail her, he go put the naked picture for social media. He say but he can't dey look say how he can't see the picture. He say he can't say na when he tie wrapper na he screenshot. He said so now he says okay since the man they think evil against her now, she sef come still take the man naked picture wey the man dey baff. So wetin dey baff me for this matter now? Na online according to her say they know, they never see each other, they never know whether this one yellow or black apart from for a video call. He never go the man house, the man never come here according to her. But he say now he come still snap the man naked picture wey dey baff. Una see say lie dey there. How you come take snap person wey dey baff naked picture wey be say you no dey her house? Abi the man in dey baff, he take one hand still dey video with her nakedness because water go enter that phone. So I no understand that place well. Make I still dey play and dey go make una still dey see.
Mama ye Facebook, mama ya why we going to do me? Ina mo ye. Ina kepe. Odi de bemi ni ma pa e fa le le. Bemi. Na do pada ti na ti open me hia o me. O ma mi ye yiro, ma mi ye gba mi ye gumi. Go ni go na. O se se ma won na do aguna. Why jeme? E me ni point na ta we ye aji here. Why jeme the point na je ma we point na ye go na ma wa ye ko a. O ma no ria me ni. No bemi no ma me hia. Oh, we must be preaching in Facebook now. And so, get everybody stopping me when you get preaching. You know what? One man is stopping making her preaching because the man went there. The Facebook man had to be. Now, that did about a day after me a video now. Can you so why any don't tell him now? And now, in a keep pay. Either the Raya go open how me go on. Why me manage to let me post it? Been a walk and I have a bonnie. Only now I'm a
He say come still see the marriage invitation wey dem print for her Facebook. Say she wan marry to another new man. He say so na this same man wey be say dey say he no dey do again, wey say still get her naked picture. He say he come call that man too, spread land for the man, make the marriage for no take place. So
you understand the banana no still living in make it up with the day. She's what I'm up when you love me. Every time of that man where now where you love me. You can't measure me destroy marriage in here doing me. Oh, the only dog who every time of my brother when I never took any other 2 years. Nigga, they are if you go with you. I'm not bound where they're running. Naga money, no one, Naga moment Facebook. In my lily. Okay, you want to do? Okay, I don't think the girl. But that man not saying only not the time away. But you go who you may go away. Oh, my man, they face to face. And Facebook, you are not being big. When I just about 1 hour, I didn't know my get up, make it. So when I, oh, when ye, nigga down, you hear that, or when you already you said it. Or a picture, the bloody sent you go, but picture boom. And when I get, but we get with the but yeah, ni fiani. That's an idea. A cousin or a way. When about being in the any way, even niggas to talk about women, but even if I go sister, but even when I want to meet her, you move a opportunity what they or turning us and then I said they give away. When we're telling you, whatever, no work better, we're telling you now. But the mammy or your young moise, a Facebook, a man, and a bat on your own. What you go when I go on back. Oh, just the Facebook, a relationship with Facebook. I don't friendship. You have never met me, I have never met you. We have never touched each other. But yet you said I have 3 children for you.
Did you hear that, my people? You see, on Facebook wahala. You see what she talk now. He say when he get the naked picture after he don't cut am. Now you talk and I say you have never met me, I've never met you. Facebook wahala. How manage you can't go get the picture when he dey baff, when he dey naked? Una see those people they want to come Facebook, come they criticize or come get famous because she still measure am. Say him go dey disgwagwa the boy because on normal day if him dey do him preaching na 5 people 4 na dey see. So if this boy not take time, he go disgwagwa. This woman for my own, I no even sure say he get person wey dey talk to. You just dey mention fake name. If not, you see her now. He say we have never met, we have never do this. Now when the picture when he get am, he come send her go meet his sister. He come get her go send him meet the man sister and I say see oh. Now that man come call and say this woman get picture. Wey be say strong pass your leave this woman alone. Una meet for Facebook. How all those story come dey generate? Wey be say him mama come involve for Nigeria, his sister come involve for here. So make we just dey be careful for this face because me I feel dey call am say na face problem o. Na face problem na be this Facebook. Everybody want to get famous. Everybody want people make dem dey hear am for everywhere. But if you wan get famous, na bad thing dem go take dey famous. Or na bad word wey they go dey talk na dem take dey famous. You understand? So my people, this kind story me I no believe am because that thing wey she first talk before say on a very good day she dey broadcast, she no dey see pass 5 or 6 people wey dey watch am. You understand? Maybe na that one that come motivate her now make she come dey do saga by herself because no picture wey bring come out now to show the world say see the person wey she dey talk to. Picture no dey. If dey talk dey go front, if dey talk dey go back. So me I no understand this kind talk. Now me I still play am for my people, more still see because not be every time because this one na still another Edo woman now. If you still set now, they will begin from there and the trauma go our Edo. You understand? Because not be only with the Facebook or YouTube. Because of money wey no reach money, we come dey take our body they give people make dem dey emulate or they humiliate. No me I no speak that thing I go come talk. Come dey insult us every time. Do.
Photoshop, you want to back. I am a face, I am moving a book away. I am proud of the baby I got the
Sorry guys.
If you have a Facebook in an apple, a picture, for the house of preaching, Facebook. In my telling him, I'm my mom. You have a woman, no, oh, we are Maggie Gualo, what is all one about? You know, I was beginning of everything of what I call day. You know, one person of him now. Oh, we are Maggie anywhere. I can't understand what's about Erunina or Sene or my name and Becky now. That's the point, and I live in a bomba to bomba. If we get away, if we manage you,
he said that gospel na him be dey preach for Facebook. He said better sit come be now. He go pause for the gospel. Make him face this boy boba to boba. Make the insult their and I see all those iniquity of people, all those people of Nene, I don't know what I want call them. They will come take God word cover eye, come Facebook, come they deceive people online. Whereas inside them, na another thing na they take come. You see am now because he dey there since nobody dey watch am now. He say he wan remove preaching now. Make it take saga take come. You understand? Make una dey lis ten.
The true phone. I might be one on one. Your character is like this. Mama, I got a company. How how will it look like? It may be worse than where I'm coming from. And not Kiribo. A boy now, where you can measure preaching now, and I preach it, I preach. Can I assess I want to the guy who will tell me I tell an Israel room? No one be a more or one more way. Ni abumen no, you go down, you give it, and you hear. And not a put in a song, or very put up on us somewhere. Yes, him up. The man I'm money in here, and my how marriage. Here I have this driver, or my one, or my can kid, or my can ye. Let the brother put a see I get at this train. But anyone love you, when I love you, better get the love of who. Or when you go along, fight tooth and to get that woman back. But tomorrow morning, what you can move need there, no woman no move. I am proud to be. Or when woman fits on the post there, you are now. A killer banana woman, a betty by the way, Photoshop. I let them away. Is he been a woman? Or then you were Photoshop on a gua. Is he been a woman? When I wear my happy okay? Is he been a gua? You get the army. So I mean, the Photoshop at you. Go ahead and do your work. But for you to tempt it at all, una muhume, una ya munyo ononi ked. Go to come on Facebook. My brother, go ahead. You are watching me. Go ahead. Let it in the man of balance. A balance, I can't get it. A betty can be go away. And then more what you're trying to do, I said, the woman you're trying. Oh, I said they get pastor many. Oh, I said they got that for many. What said they get a boy? And then we were sending a year with an evidence. And you're going to baffle me. Or even not warning. Me, I can't believe what you're better when I am. Because I'm imagine catching your partner. Yeah, able to 9 years, do China. Or even not warning. Or warning Kakori. On our milk for the hats. On our milk for the hat, or I'm when they run away. Imagine that if you're in a mobile movie, you're not a man. I saw remember in Norma, a man big man only move for. Imam money for now, Mukia. And put another Facebook, my here. Every year of my most of the power of the member who made up more. And put a picture on your guy in the WhatsApp becoming other women, your woman, so back with me. Imagine my can be my put on my bed. Or whether you have to remember my bed. My wife has been recently. That's what my history. Or my history. But when you're making who I am today, I understand on it. I'll tell you fair. I don't know, it's a no. No, we don't tell you never fair. What go back to go down, no be here. Or won't cook my Facebook. Or when my member face to face. Or when years up of a coon. And you don't tell him. You got carry a bed that go down, no be here. Can look at me, can not saw it. You got your bed that was son. He only told me, my dear, I miss you. I will learn a mistake from this. The man I had 3 children for told me that he will learn a mistake from this. He really offended me. And he pleaded with me. He also told me if I need anything, even when I have money, I should let him know. You are the new online. We have never met. We have never seen one-on-one. You said you will not let me go. I am not moved by what you are doing, but I will need to explain to the world, and I will begin to, because you think I can't come. You know, you told me a long time that you will make sure you push me to Facebook on Saga. I am ready for it. I think when I keep coming out with your topic, people will keep watching. Because when I'm preaching, you don't see people watching.
Yeah.
But I want to tell you, I'm proud of myself. You go down went forward to use my
They can live on there. Una see him. He said the man promise am say he go push her to the wall. So now he wants start saga for Facebook. Make dem for come know am say she don arrive. He say because the normal day if him dey blog, you know dey see views. Na people, small people him dey see. Now when he go take this, he go down now. The saga now for Facebook, people go come know am. How much we wan get for all those saga? Wey be say every time we like to paint that place wey we for come Benin red and black. Every time. You understand? You say na through social media know this man. Now all your talk e dey go upside down. Many bloggers don cut this video now, post for their YouTube channel. But not be everything wey this woman talk for here for my own. Not be everything na e dey smooth wey person go cut put for YouTube dey lis ten to. I just play am here make I analyze am. You never see am before. You never know am before. we not say yes. If una dey do that video call, una dey open and they name it for them. They feel the screenshot. You not all such thing now, so una don't do, because you will say you promise yourself now, say not until ma pay your dowry. You not go chop kuku, you not go chop a gaddy egg. So I manage. Say you can't get your that kind picture. Or you say we say okay, Ojogonoko, he dey with you. How you take get that Ojogonoko? If you not go there, or the man they call you with video call, they show you Ojogonoko. So now that one me no understand. My people, especially my Benin people, not be only Benin o, because the one wey me hear and I now dey talk now. Many people dey wey see they do all those kind of things, not be only Benin, but the thing is that now our own I too much, because if it happen now all of us they go dey throw mouth, go dey give. My people, make una see this video. Now this woman, maybe if you still see my own, make a beg, make you come down for your eye also. That your saga where you say you want start for Facebook because you be a do. If you na English, you tell they speak this language now. Maybe I for not even mind you talk. Let's say I want complain here and analyze her. And that Benin where I for come, we just be say they can they talk all those rubbish where they talk since. Now make me call a con analyze her. Make I just stop this video here. I don't want to play and further, my people. Anything when I thought of this voice message where I play for now, make una write am for comment section. And anybody will see this video, make una share and make everybody still see am. Give it thumbs up. And if you have been watching my videos, you haven't subscribed, please try to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Should in case anytime I upload new video, YouTube will they go give you notification say I don't upload. Thank you very much. God bless you all. So we see again in my next video, and follow me on my Instagram page, Mama Virtuous TV. Follow me on my Facebook page, Mama Virtuous TV. We see again in my next video. Bye.